Hey friends, if you wish to have a tutorial in Windows built-in speech recognition options, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab and select speech in the right pane. Now this is the categorization for speech. You can select the language, but the language has to be the one which is selected as the primary language. Now most computers these days have a single language system, so you might not be able to change this. And you can change this option for to recognize non-native accents for this language. For example, if you're choosing English United States and you are in India, then you can check this box so that it could recognize the Indian English and still count it as American. And then for voices, I mean the output voices, you can select amongst these three voices, which is Microsoft David, Microsoft Zira, and Microsoft Mark. Zira is a feminine voice. You can increase or decrease the voice speed, and you can listen to the sample.
You have selected Microsoft Zira as the default voice.
Okay, you can also add a few voices from the online options, or you can add voices from other languages. Okay, this is what you can do. And obviously, you can check the installed voice packages here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.